Guys, welcome back to another video, guys. So sorry that I have been away for some times in my channel, guys. In today's video, I bring to you this quick and very healthy juice, guys. That is Zobo juice. As you can see, don't mind this foul. That is to show that we are in Nigeria. So in the pot we have our Zobo leaf. I have already washed and put it inside the pot. And here is our pineapple back. So I hope I pronounce it well. So this is the pineapple peel. So let's move on to another step, guys. After adding the pineapple peel, we go in with our clove. You can see it. I already washed it, guys. And here is our grounded ginger, guys. It will make the Zobo to be so spicy. That is the reason why for putting the ginger also. So after adding it, after adding the ginger, we have to go in with our water. You have to add enough water for it. So you can see the amount of water that I added on the Zobo. To make Zobo is very easy and simple, and I will prefer you and I will recommend you to make Zobo by yourself at home. You will know the kind of ingredients you put in yourself. So after that, you have to mix everything together. After mixing it, guys, you cover your pot. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Turn on your notification bell so that you get notified anytime we put video on our channel, guys. Then we have to allow it to cook for like 20 to 25 minutes, guys. Then we come back and check it. Let's check. It has been boiling for over 20 minutes now, so it's time to check our Zobo. Guys, let's see the outcome. You can see the bubbling, very demure, guys. You can see what I got here. Oh, it's giving. I will tell you to make this Zobo by yourself, guys. You will know what you are drinking. If you want to put sugar after everything, you will put it depending on your own measurements. Then I did not tell you not to buy Zobo from outside, but I prefer you to make it. The ingredients for making the Zobo is very simple now, guys. So you can see what we have. So now it's time to shifter it. I hope I'm getting my English well. Now it's time to shifter it to remove the Zobo leaf and other particles and get our water, our Zobo, our Zobo juice. Stay tuned. Let's do the next step, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See what I'm using here. The reason why I'm using this shifter, it will make the thing not to the Zobo leaf or the other things that I put inside not to enter my Zobo juice, guys. I will prefer you to use this kind of net to shifter it to make the Zobo juice to be very neat and there will be no particle inside after the main process. As you can see what I got here. The reason why I did not show you guys that I'm pouring it inside is I don't have somebody that will hold my phone for me, and again my tripod spoiled, so I need to buy another one, guys. So manage this one with me. You can see it, guys. I have poured the thing inside the net. You can see the heat, very demure. So that is it. Now what I need to do is to this thing. I need to squeeze the net so that all the Zobo juice will come out. So guys, endure with me. I will buy the tripod later, guys. So let me squeeze it. So guys, this is what I got. I don't know if you're seeing it, so you can see the Zobo. So this is what I got from it. So now it's time to add in. If you are the type that add sugar, now is the time that you can add it. You can see my own. This is pineapple, the sachet one. You can also blend the pineapple itself and pour inside the Zobo. but I will not do that today. My children have already finished the pineapple, so I'm using this Coca-Cola and pineapple sachets. I will pour everything inside. So as I tell you, I do not have. Okay, I will use my mouth to open it. I'm holding my phone in my hand, no tripod. I need to buy tripod so you can see it. I'm pouring the Coca-Cola. If you are putting it, you need to be testing it so that you will not put too much. The thing will not be so sugary. I'll put only 2 because the zobo is big. After that, I have to put my pineapple. You can see it, guys. So the next one, then you mix everything together. Yeah, so now it's time to pour the thing inside my container. So guys, I don't know how I'm going to do so that you guys should be seeing it, because my tripod has spoiled. Guys, I'm done with the zobo. You can see what I got here because my zobo that I use is so small. You can see my zobo, very chilled. Now I have to put it inside the fridge so that the thing will block and chill very well. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up. This is the remaining one. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, like, share, and comment for more, guys. Don't forget to try this recipe. You will love it. The outcome is so great and very tasty, guys. Don't enjoy watching this video, guys. Bye.